Hello friends, today I'm going to showcase a MiJo exclusive special limited edition Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40. Some vehicles are refined, quiet, and fit for a suit and tie, not Johnny Lightning's new off-road replicas. M&J Toys have teamed up with Johnny Lightning to produce these limited edition mudslingers in exclusive paint schemes. These mini monsters punch you in the face, kick you in the gut, and shout, "Hang on!" Oversized wheels and mud-blazing accessories adorn these aggressive replicas, fit for any adventure off the asphalt. I find this paint scheme somewhat odd. It looks like they drove through a puddle of blood and it splashed up on the side and the hood. This FJ40 is equipped for off-road with the spare gas cans, the 2 extra tires, the shovel, and the off-road lights along with the winch. I like the high lift jack that MiJo includes with these models. They look like they're actually tall enough to jack up the Land Cruiser if ever it had a problem, it got stuck or high centered. It's past time that Johnny Lightning used plastic for its headlights instead of just painting on the white color. The hood looks like it had a hit and run and the body slid off it. I feel that the quality control on this model was not very good. I had to reseat all the tires. They were not on the rims very well. And there's paint on that door frame, as I mentioned. And also the taillights were not well painted. But overall, I think it's a pretty good model. Thanks for watching. See you next time.